welcome to the introductory course of Surfer. Surfer is a powerful contouring and gridding software used to grid your data and to make different maps like the contour map, base map, post map, and it's not only used in geology, it's also used in hydrology, construction, environment related industries. So following all the maps you can make in the Surfer like contour map, base map, post, 3D surface, color relief map, class post, 3D wireframe, point cloud, drill hole, and so many other things. So without wasting any time, let's move to the software and start our course. So just start the Surfer, and is our window. So if you already have any project, it will be show here. So we are creating a new project, so just close it and let's open the new plot empty window. So this is the first window of the Surfer. So let me introduce with the user interface of the software. So first there is a file tab where you can see new, open, save, load, print, and other things. Then there is a home page where you can see these ribbons like paste, copy, select the area, the grid, the map wizard, the base map, contour, post, and so many other things. Then there is a layout where you can set the page layout like its margin, orientation, and size, header and footer. Then there is the features like the graphics, the text you want to add with your map, the polygon, the polyline, and also all different things. And let's move to the other. There's a grid. You can grid. You will use this ribbon for gridding purposes. Like you can play with your data set in this. You can filter it. You can assign the coordinate system. You can assign the projection. You can apply different calculations on that. You can make a grid volume, transform it, slice it, and you can do so many other things. And there is a map tool where you can add your different layers, scale, legend. You can make the profile, the axis, and 3D view is also present in this. Then there is a view. You can set the zoom and the different parameters. So this was all the layout introduction. So let's move. And so let's start a new project. So first of all, we need the data to contour our grid in the surface. And the most beautiful thing about the Surfer is you do not need any database. You only need X, Y, and Z, and it will make a map of that. So, and it is very easy to make map in the Surfer. So let's start. So first, this is a plot window which will show our map data, the contour map and grid. But first, we need our data within the software. So there is a multiple way. The first way is that you just click on this new worksheet. It will open a new sheet, and you see this is the column A, B, C, which is X, Y, and Z. Very easy. You just simply have to copy the data from your Excel sheet. Let me open my Excel sheet where I have data. Like I have a well data. I have X, Y, Z, and all these formation top and their thicknesses. So let's just copy this data. Right click and select and copy, and just click here and paste, and you see the data is in the Surfer. So we just need to save this and just say it's like base file. There's a multiple format you can save in, like the Surfer own the .lin, the CSV, the diet file, the Excel file. It will support all of these. So I'm just saving this into the diet file and click to save and click OK. Okay, this is the one sheet, and I also have the reservoir property maps. So let me move that data also into this. So just click on this new worksheet and I go to the Excel, and there is my reservoir properties like the well name, this gross thickness, net to gross, average porosity, average shale volume, average water saturation. So just I will copy this and open the Surfer and paste this. So there are my reservoir properties, and this is one formation. So I will just save this to reservoir and just like formation C or something and save it and click OK. And yes, so here are my data files and here's my plot. So first of all, I want to make a base map on this. So there is a two method. So let me show you first the map wizard method. In the map wizard, in the home tab, you have a map wizard. Just click on this map wizard, it will open this window. We also have sample files which will show you the format of the data you can put into the server like this. This is the Excel file, it only need X, Y and Z. So let me browse my files that I have uploaded there. So I need to create a base map. So just click on this project file, there's a no file there. So I'll go to browse and I save my files there. So I just click on this and open it. So here is my file. So I want to make the base map of wells. So for that I need X, Y and Z. The Z will be the well name. So we can define from this select data column. The X will be our column A, the Y will be column B and Y, and Z will be our column C. So I just click next. Now it's asking me which type of map I want to make. So I want to make a post map because I have point data. I'll just click on this post and click finish. And here you go. This is my base map. But you see only one point here. The other points are just below these. So let me just set this. Just simply click on this file, my post, and I'll go to the symbols, and I don't have symbol column, so I will select this from here, the symbol properties, and let me see, I would say maybe a field black, and now you can see all the data, like these are the 5 wells, and I can increase their size like this, decreasing and reducing. There you go. Okay, now I want to label these points. So again I will have to go to these properties and go to the label. So it's first label set, and there is a worksheet. It's asking me which will be my label. So I'm gonna say these are my labels, and here you can see the name is there. Now we can change the position of the labels either on the above of this symbol, below, right, left, anywhere. So I just click on the above. There you go. There are our symbol, and I can change its font type. Like I can change its size, we can increase this, we We can bold this and this, then strike out like this. We can underline this, and so many things we can do that. Okay, we can also move this according to our need. Like I just right click on that and click the edit label, and I can move this like these. See, like this, like this. And I can disable this line too. You see there is a leader line enable of dragging label. Just uncheck this and it will remove this line. Okay, now you see these three wells, 1 2 3 and 4 wells are on the margin, so they are in within the axis. So let's move the axis left and right so we can make it more like beautiful. Just click on this like right axis. We can also remove these axes, yeah, like this. You see this is another, but we can change the limits of map. Like we see the x maximum will be, the x minimum is 1600. Like I just change this to 5. Click this, it will change it. And okay, let's move our axis map extend. Let's change our map extend so all the wells within the frame. We can see all the well within the frame. So as you see, we change the x minimum, the alpha is within the frame. So like now we change the x maximum. So let's see this will be 3. You see the chi well is inside. Let's move it a little more and it's good. And also move this 7, no, not 7, we have to increase this like 3. Okay, now we have to change the y minimum and maximum. So we can change this to 9 and not working. We can change 70. Now it's fine, and just decrease this to 5. A little bit. Let's decrease this to 5 and to 3. And now the map is much more better looking because all our wells are inside this frame. So we can play with these labels like that. We can go to map. This is our frame. We can change its color. Like, let me show you. We can go to black. You see frame, map. Okay, let me show you. We can play with the axis. Like labels are not visible. If I click, you see there's a label. Same thing with the scaling. We can change the scale of single side. Then you can see the grid line. If we click on this, it will show the grid line. Then it show the minor grid line. We can play with all its properties. Okay, so just leave it like this. So this is our base map. You see how quickly we can make the base map within the surfer. This was the map wizard method. So let's let me show you the another method. So let me just make another plot window. So I'll just go to the new plot here, and I will make another base map without going to the map wizard. So it's very easy. You see there is in the home tab there's a post option. Just click on this and click on the post. Now it's asking me where is my file. So these are my files already in the surfer window. I can just select it from here, or I can select it from the where I save it. So just click on this and open and see display all the wells. So simply I just go there and to the label and select my wells and just change their position left, right, or anywhere I want, like above. I can make it bold and I can increase their size. See, and just right click and add the label and move inside wherever I want, and you can see. So this is the other method to post the data into the surfer. Okay, let's move to the first window which we designed. Okay, let's just edit these back to the normal, like this, like there, there, and there. That's it. Okay, so now it's time to make the quick contour map within the surfer. So first we have to make the grid of our data, and then we have to contour it. Okay, so for that we just have to click on this grid data, and we'll just open our base map. Like let's say I we want to contour a formation top, or we want to contour any depth or height points within the surfer. So we'll select the file and it will open the gridding parameter file. So here we will define our data, like we define our x, define y, and c will be the data we want to contour. So let's see, I want to contour the top of this FMC. So I will select this. Okay, so there are the gridding methods. There are multiple methods like inverse distance to power, the kringing method, the minimum curvature, the modify Shepherd method, the natural labor, the polynomial regression, the triangulation, the linear interpolation, the moving average method, the local polynomial method. There is all the method you can use. And if you want to read about all these methods, you just simply click on this question mark button and it will show the help window, and it will show all the detail of these methods, that how these are working. So I'm not going to these detail, I'm only going to contour the data. I'll show you the contour of two different types for comparison. So just simply first I'm making this kringing method, and it's saying geometry. If we have already contour a grid, or then we will have a limit in this, and we can select that and it will automatically pick these thing. So these are the parameters, x maximum, y maximum. We can change this spacing if you want, and you can do anything. Like there's you can, I can set the minimum z value, maximum z value to filter that out. Okay, this will be our the grid file name. So like I know I'm contouring the formation C top, so I name this, and this will be the folder where it's going to save. So I'll just click OK, and it created the grid file. Okay, now I have to contour this file. Let me show you where it created the file. Okay, You see, there is my file, the formation C top grid file. Now I want to contour this grid file. So I'll go there. I will. There are also multiple methods to do this. The first is just right click on this, go to add to the map, click on the contour. This will open the window. I just click the stop and just click open, and here you go. You see, it make it contour map. It's really simple, just like that. I'll just move this down, so when I color fill this, my wells will be on the top. This is the one method. The other method is I have to just click the new contour map, just select this, click open, and you see it's make the map, but it make it to another map frame. These are the different. You see, it will only show in this if I just click on this and drag into there, and now they are on the same. I move the whole window. Okay, so I just delete this one. We only need one. So this is our the contour map. This is very simple. Now let's move to the properties of the contour map. So for that, just click on this, and here is our property window, and this is fully interactive and live. So now let me show you how. So this is showing the minimum contour, like I'm saying 5000 should be the minimum. Okay, this is the contour, and I say 7000 will be the maximum, and there is a contour interval of 20. Let's say I change it to 50. You see, it changed our contour interval. I say let's move to the 10. Let's increase the contour interval. And I will move to 25. Let's change it. Let's again move to 50. So there we can also reset this, and it will move to the according to our data. So here you can change our major contour interval, like I say 5th will be bold, or major contour. If I say the 6, if I say the 7, you see it's changing live. And yes, and this button will show us the scale. Okay, again, now let's move to the color fill. So just click on this and it will fill the color. Now it's very simple to fill the color scheme. You see, like this. Again, if you want a rainbow, like this. There's so many color templates that we can use. See, let's see, we'll say exploration. Okay, we can edit this also in advance. Just click on the custom color map, and you see we can reverse this and apply this, change like this. We can also change we can click this the user data limit, and it will change according to that. You can just simply put that like 5000 will be the minimum and 7000 will be maximum, and click apply. So it will show like this. We can just move this. So let me see, according to data, click apply. This is our perfect fit. So I just want to move this color to green, so it will be very simple. So I just have to change this to 6600 and click apply. Move up. I have to increase this. I have to go 6700 and apply. See, it changes. Click OK. Okay, now we can show minus. Okay, these are the line properties. We can change the line type like this. We can choose any type, and we can change its thickness like this. Now again, these are the minor lines. You can also show their label and their thickness can be changed. You can change their color. I want to see this color. I can define any color of that. And remove the labels. And this. So here you go. These are all the settings. Okay, we can move these labels, like you can see this. Again, move less. So you can play with this property. Okay, there is the coordinate system. If you know the coordinate system, you can set the coordinate system of each and every layer by there. Just click on the select and you can go. We have all these system. You know the coordinate system of your area, you can define this. Plus, the beautiful thing of this software, if you don't know the coordinate system, you can control your data and you can display your data. So this is all the properties. Okay, now let's set this data. Okay, let's go to the layout. If you want to change the orientation of the page, just click on this and you see the page is changed. We can change the size of the page as we want. We can change again its orientation. We can change the margins from here. So in the future, we can add text. I want to text. I just click on this. I will say map of top FMC and click OK. And you see, there it is. Yes, मेरा फौजी. हाँ. Okay, we can edit this again. Let's click on this and we just go to the select tool and we can move it. And we can do so many things. You see, there is a text. We can change its type. We can change its text. Bold this. You can change shadows. Yeah. Okay. There are so many different things. We can draw the polygon of the area like this, and let's finish this. Mark any area. Okay. Let's move to the map tools and just click our contour map and we want to add a scale. So here you go, there is the scale. We can also add the legend. There is the legend. So let's just set these. Let's move the legend over here. Move the scale up. Just move this name here. We can add different things, all the layers within this legend. And let's move in 3D. So just click on this contour map and click on the 3D view. It will open a new window and it will show us map in 3D. So let's move and let's see this. You see, here's the match. So we can increase its vertical exaggeration, so we can see this. So let's increase the multiple is vertical exaggeration, and now you can see the map in 3D. And that's it. I can set the camera angle. Let's see, zoom in, zoom out, field of view. Now we can see the angle of the lightning, okay, and degree. Okay, and we can click on the walk like this. We can walk on the surface, and again click on the pan, hit the window, and that is the 3D view. So again move to the plot window. So these are the things we can do in the Surfer. So there's more things that I will show you how to do this. So let's make all the the properties maps of the reservoir within the Surfer. So let's just hide these all other things in this map. So I want to see how the gross thickness of a formation is changing in the area. So I want to just grid that. So I'll just simply go to the map wizard. I'll browse and select the reservoir properties, and there is my map, and I'll just select X, Y, and I want to make this gross. So I will click on the Z into gross and click next, and I want it's the contour map, and I'll just click on this contour, click on the next. I just want to use the stringing method and copy the grid. This is the option I was telling you about, that if I already have a grid, then we can use its limits, and I click on this and it's the same limits, and there's the same name. I just want to give this a reservoir. I'll just give this the gross thickness map, and I'll just say finish. There's the map of gross thickness. So we just move this map to our map, so all the data will be on the same page. Just move down, so our well will be on the top, and again just go to its property, and I'll change its scale. I will set this scale to exploration, so we can know as we move from here to here, our gross thickness is increasing. Okay, let's make the net map. So I'll use the different method this time. So we'll go to grid data. I'll select my reservoir property here, and I'll select the net, and I select the limits, and just change the name to the net, and click OK. Make a grid file. Now I'll make the map, contour map. So just right click on this, go to the add map, click on the contour map, and just click the net, click open, and here you go. There is our net map. So let's move this down and just simply go to their time, and we'll select the same exploration, and here you go. Now as we see, so this is our net map. Just remove the scale for a bit time. So you see, as the gross thickness map is showing that our thickness is increasing from alpha val to phi, and the net thickness map also showing it also net is increasing to phi. So let's move. Let's make another map, and let's go to the grid data, select our reservoir properties, and make net to gross. Again, change its name, mtg, delete it, and click OK. Make the grid. So let me quickly make all the grid, and then I'll make the contours, and I'll select, and I want to make the average porosity map. Okay, grid is created. Again, I want to create another grid. I'll just go and want to reshape. Okay, yes. So now just I have to contour the map, contour these grids. So let's go, click contour. So let's see, net to gross, open. Here is net to gross. Again, right click, go to contour, and where is, oh, I haven't changed the name of the porosity map, so it's showing the reservoir property formation C. So it's okay. Just click on this, and let's make these maps. Okay, let me see our data. This, okay, this is not the correct map, so just we have to delete this. Again, go to the grid data, select the reservoir property, and click the average porosity, and I have to give the name average porosity grid, and click OK, and it makes the map. Just right click on this, go to add map, click contour, average porosity, and there is our average porosity map. And I just move this and just set these colors. So let's move to the coloration. Again, net to gross, and change its color. And let's just set these in the order. So we just made the reservoir property map, and we can analysis of all the reservoir property. Like, let me just show you how we can do that. So first we will check how the top is going to the surface. Like you see, as we move from the alpha to phi, the top is going deeper. Okay, now we can see the thickness. As we move from alpha to phi, the thickness is increasing, the gross thickness. So in the same way, the net thickness is increasing, and in the case the average porosity, we can see the porosity is decreasing from alpha to delta val, and then it is increasing from delta to phi. The phi val has the maximum porosity, and again we can see net to gross, and the net to gross is good in the phi val. So This is the way you can analyze your data, not only the geological data or the reservoir data. You can plot all the other data. So let me show some examples for the other data. So I'll just have to create a new plot window. So let me show you. Just go to the map wizard, and we have all kind of data here. Let me show you the temperature data. Like this is the sample temperature data. Just click on this. So there's a time, Y and Z. We just click on this. We want color relief map, for example, and we also want a waves map. Any map we want, we just click and it will make it for us. Just click next and just click finish. Click OK. Finish. Okay. Oh, it's asking for the different names, so I'll just click one and just click. Let me move back. Just only select the one map, so it doesn't make any issue. Just click. Okay. Now you have to change this to something different. Okay, I have to change the location of the file. That's why it's giving me the error. So I'll just go to server and just save there and finish. And you see here it's made the temperature map. Okay, let's make another map, and there is a Grand Canyon map. Let me see where it is. There it is. Okay, I'll just have to click this. I click on this and let's finish it, and you see here's the Grand Canyon map. Okay, we can make the cross section out of this. It's very easy in the server. We just select this map, we move to the map tool, and we just click on the profile. It gives us the tool. I want to make the profile from here to here, so I'll just click the line and end this, and here you go. Here's the profile. Here you can see the profile of that line. So it is very easy. You can track the cursor, but currently it's not tracking. Okay, now. So it's very easy. So let's move to the home page. What else? Okay, we can digitize any points here, like this. We need the any point coordinates, and here we can save this file as we want. We can save this the PLN and other files. Okay, there is a one thing left that we can do in the server. Okay, I think that's it. That is very easy. So this was a quick course about the server. I will share the data with you. You can practice this and let me know if you have any question regarding that.